Shout out Pokey Pants. I'm out here walking. She kind of inspired this. I've been active, but I haven't really gone for a walk. And walking is my favorite type of exercise. So, yeah, go put some steps in. This week hasn't been that great. I think 6 out of 7 days was good, but Sunday was bad. So hopefully I have a good weigh-in. But my phone's really pissing me off. Keeps freezing. Took me forever to even take this, but is what it is. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm always like, oh shit, I should turn that off. Stop fanning for a second. So I'm gonna make this, what is it, pizza salad? So I think it's a gimmick, but it's a cheap salad, so whatever. Got the breadcrumbs, the mozzarella, or is this Parmesan? Look how tiny this is. This is what's like being on a diet. Oh my god, the perforation is not perforating. Dude, the salad, the lettuce is kind of smelly. Jesus Christ. So, I have a, what is even this? I don't even know. Some kind of dressing. I'm gonna do a week of eating on track, which is gonna be hard for me. Have I even been on track for a whole week? I think there's usually at least one cheat day. Oh, is this where the pizza comes in from? Wow. That does taste like pizza, kind of. It's like tomato and basil, I'm pretty sure. Don't judge me. I calculated those calories, alright? Let me get my calories worth. Okay. This is what it looks like all mixed up. Not gonna lie, it looks good. This is so refreshing. Oh my god. I really like the blackberry flavor, but I don't make it in zero sugar. We got a sub also for dinner. I only had enough calories for half. And I wish I could pour more meat on it, but I only had enough calories for one serving of ham. Is this sad? Or would you guys eat this? Honestly, it doesn't look bad. I really tasted the feta in that bite. In fact, I see it right here. Oh my god. So, these, I don't know if some brands are better than others, but I figured why not try these? They're kind of expensive. 25 servings, I can see if this works for me. I'm a little worried. These got calories. 10 calories. Alright, we're gonna calculate everything. What is up? I gotta make sure I don't smell anything. We got beans, burger, fries, roasted asparagus, pickle ketchup. Yo, what's up? I got some ham and egg bites. I don't know. Woke up early, so I decided to make breakfast. Only got like 4 hours sleep. But why not be productive? I don't know if this is the best thing to drink when you wake up. So I forgot to film my dinner yesterday, but we kept it in goal. Don't worry, I'll give you guys the calories for like every day at the end. I filmed like me eating the big portion. That was like my dinner. Later in the day, I did have the leftover cheeseburger and like one of those little serving of chips. So I was gonna film that, but I forgot. I'm really into the Fallout show. It's so good. Like, I don't even like TV shows like that, but I definitely recommend the Fallout TV show, even if you're not a fan of the games. If you're a fan of like sci-fi, anything like that, strongly recommend. It's on Amazon. Really good. But yeah, for today and tomorrow, I'm gonna try to keep it a little lower, even though we've been making goal, which is 2,500. I'm gonna try to keep it around 2,000 calories for a day for today and tomorrow. Hopefully we got a good weigh-in on Wednesday. And I was gonna kind of leave you guys on a cliffhanger because I only do the one weigh-in per like vlog, but I think I'm just gonna throw in 2. Hopefully there's a good change. It's worth doing that, but yeah, I might go for a little walk. I'm gonna be like mostly cleaning, doing laundry today, and staying on track. So yeah. Anyways, I saw a recipe for like these little ham. You put like ham in like a muffin tin. You put some egg and cheese. I put a little bit of bacon crumbles and feta on it too. Alright, so the egg portion's pretty good. The ham did get a little bit rubbery, so I don't know how to prevent that. That's not bad. Not bad. And that's gonna be my breakfast. I'll check in with you guys when I do my lunch. Just eating some leftovers of my meal prep. Added a little Parmesan and a little more barbecue sauce to it. But yeah, I'm trying to eat this before it gets gross. It's been in there for what? I think 4 days. So yeah, I'm probably gonna eat the last one I have tomorrow. I don't like leaving chicken in the fridge for like 5 or more days, so yeah, that's what I'm gonna eat, and I'll be back with a dinner. I'm not sure if I'm gonna make the 2,000 goal, but I'll make the original 2,500 for sure. I might go for a walk too, we'll see, but I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. You legit can't even see me. Out for a quick walk. It's dark as shit. It's like 8:30. Sunset at 8. So we're getting a little better. I can't wait for summer. I don't mind taking walks at night. To me, it's peaceful. It's calm. I just felt like a lazy piece of shit because of my insomnia. I actually took like a 5-hour nap. So I only slept for 3 hours. And then the past couple of days, I only got like maybe 4 hours max a night. So I don't know. But yeah, the calorie goal is going to be probably around 2,500, so 2,000. Just because it's a little snacky today, but still technically on track. I hate that the sidewalk ends here. Fuck. I mean, if a car can't see my fat ass, is a problem. But you never know. It's walking in the road. But yeah, I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. Fat privilege. I just had someone see me walking and go to the other side of the street. I'm like, I always move to one side of the sidewalk. I'm like, there's probably enough space, but you know, it's usually me because I don't want to inconvenience people. I'll be like going into the road or walking into the grass, going to the other side of the street. But yeah, it's chilly outside. I thought it was gonna be a little nicer. Not really. All the semis are out. You might know what's like a pet peeve of mine though? It's like when they're walking and an entire family's like causing a blockade. It's like, cool, I get it, your family, you want to walk like side by side, but it's like for 30 seconds, can you guys like get in a single file line? Like, please? So I don't have to walk in the mud, but honestly, I have to do it anyways, so I guess it doesn't matter. Guys, I just got reminded of probably my biggest pet peeve when I'm walking. By the way, biggest fucking pet peeve is when there's a red light and I'm kind of at a distance, but I'm getting close to the crosswalk, and the vehicle sees like I'm getting close, but they're like kind of getting impatient for the light to turn green, so they like inch up a little bit, and then I get even closer and they inch up a little bit even before the light changes. Do that, it annoys me so much. Like, trust me, if the light's red, I'm still gonna walk. I don't care if you're moving inch by inch. Like, that is my biggest pet peeve. Like, no cap. I know this thing's probably gonna fall off the tripod. This is my dinner. It's kind of a sad salad, but I didn't really have many calories left, so yeah, I got like 3 croutons, some chicken. That was breaded, so a little higher in calories, but whatever. Like a serving of cheddar. Really, that's kind of it. Lettuce. This is my dinner. It's like 100% my fault. I was not eating as well as I could have been. That's how we're gonna end the day. I think tomorrow I'm gonna try to do 10K. we do got some cherry tomatoes. I don't know if you guys see that. I only got 2 on here. For the dressing, I got barbecue ranch from California Kitchen. This first time trying it, doesn't taste bad. You know what I really love doing now? Instead of busting out the measuring spoons, I just put my plate on the food scale and then drizzle dressing until I hit a serving. It's like so much better than getting the spoons out, in my opinion. Anything to make weight loss or just tracking food easier, right? So, yeah, you do got Baja, 0. Literally 0 calories. Some diet pops have like 5. I've been like coasting right to the edge of my goal, so sometimes that 5 calories actually does make a difference. But tomorrow, we're going for a 10K. That is a personal challenge that I want to do. Calorie wise, I'm gonna desperately try to stick to 2,000. What's up, guys? It's Tuesday. Starting the day off with a salad with buffalo chicken on top. It's 4:30 p.m. I slept in. I was in so much pain because of my wisdom teeth, and I just wasn't sleeping, so I took a few more melatonins, which is safe, by the way. The dose I have is only like 3 milligrams. So it's not like I was like overdosing or anything. Yeah. So I will see you guys once I start walking. I'll have a few clips out there maybe. It's gonna be a challenge for sure, for sure. I think I know the route I want to go. Anyways, peace the fuck out. Outside, beautiful day. Let's try to get 10K. Let's try to do this. Oh, I started a little late though. I think I left at 6:30 and the sun sets at 8. So I'll probably just walk around until 8 o'clock, which should be enough time, I hope. Still walking. I feel like I'm too old to admit this, but like when I'm listening to music on my walks, I always like envision me performing them on a stage. Well, that's like what I really wanted to do in life, but it's music, so I guess it's not that weird, but I don't know. And my eyes are like bugging. Like I almost feel like I'm legally like blind. I'm exaggerating a little bit, but I do have a doctor's appointment tomorrow. It's actually scheduled like 6 months ago or something. So I'm not sure if they're doing like a full test or anything, but guess I could ask. My eyes are really bad though. I feel like I can't see shit. But anyways, we're out walking. Beautiful outside. And yeah, next time you guys see me, I'll probably be home. Hopefully we got close to 10K steps and we could be happy. Not gonna lie, I felt like shaky and dehydrated, so I got a low carb monster. Not sure if we're gonna hit 10K in one walk, but if I have to do another one later on, that's what I'm gonna do. Just trying to listen to my body cues. I felt like I was gonna pass out, honestly, but yeah. So I'm actually on lap 2. Surprisingly, when I came home, I was only at like 5K steps. I really didn't want to go back out. Not gonna lie, my jaw hurts. Everything hurts. But whatever, I'm dedicated. So we're doing the second lap around. We're gonna see where that gets me. And for real this time, the next time you see me, I'll be home. Hopefully at least at 8K steps. And then I could kind of just like be active around the house or something. Yeah. Oh, I got an orange. The total walk time is 1 hour and 38 minutes. Ow. Alright, guys, I just got to flip it. What did we hit for steps, though? I'm so tired. I don't know. 9,258. I don't know if that's even gonna show up right for you guys. Damn, that's a lot of walking. That's what happens when you sleep all day and then you gotta do all your steps. I'm sprinkling some tahini. Ooh, the more tahini, the better, honestly. I'm not even showing you guys. I'm tripping. This is my first time eating this orange. I don't think I'm gonna like it. I could like already tell. Not my favorite type. The only thing about tahini is that it can be kind of high in sodium. I wish I got the lower sodium one. But Dollar Tree only had regular, so I'm not gonna lie, it's been hard not to order out because I've been in so much pain and my health issues, anxiety, and everything. I made a grilled cheese, but I have pepperoni and I have chicken tenders in here with barbecue sauce. Don't judge me. We're doing good on our goal today. I'll check in. I might have a snack later. I have the calories for it, but we'll see. We shall see. What is up, y'all? Oh, fuck. No. It's 12 o'clock. I just hit my 10K step goal. I was only like 200 short, so I just like took the trash out. I am a little hungry. We're at like 2,000 calories exactly, but I'm gonna eat this 120 calorie light and fit key lime pie remix. You guys want to see? Damn, that was limey. That was good though. It's like a dessert. I don't think it's Bobby approved. Natural flavors. Definitely not. Oh, it has a sauce flame in here. And sucralose. Definitely not Bobby approved. He would have a heart attack. Before I weigh in tomorrow, we're going to have a breakdown of every day through the weeks. Through the week. Singular. And we're going to see if we lose any. Which, I mean, I would hope so. But then again, we stayed at the very tail end of the goal. So it's like, And I was kind of lazy. So it makes me worried a little bit. But I'm like, I should still lose some. I'll be kind of surprised if I didn't. But you never know, really. All the salt from the tahini. I know it's 0 calorie, but I need to get the less sodium one. I shouldn't admit this, but sometimes I just flip the cap and pour a little in my mouth. That's like the fattest thing I ever said, I think. But I don't know. I'm addicted. But I think we're still gonna lose some. Regardless. I would really like to be back in the 360, so here's hoping that happens. I do have an eye doctor appointment tomorrow. I'm a little worried about that because my eyes have been really bad. But sometimes they're normal. Sometimes they're like tripping. So I don't know what they're gonna do tomorrow at my appointment because it was scheduled like so long ago. But I'm guessing they're gonna take a look at my eyes and I'm gonna tell them, hey, my eyes have been tripping, see if they see anything. Last time I didn't have any damage. I did have some eyesight problems before because my lens was swollen. I guess it was from the sugar because I had like uncontrolled diabetes for like on and off for like a year. Talked about a little bit, but yeah, I was pre-diabetic and I became fully diabetic and I reversed it just by eating low carb and my A1C was perfect and I fell back into old habits and yeah, starting having the same issues, but I got checked after all of that and there was no damage and my diabetes been under control, so don't really see how there would be any, you know what I mean? It's my A1C is like perfect. And I'm exercising, losing weight. My endocrinologist actually said I could even go off of my medicine if I want to because I'm making changes. But I was honest, I was like, I'm still struggling with food a little bit. Let me stay on it longer. So, currently still on medication, but I do want to get off of it. And I do just want to be healthy. So, I guess we'll find out what tomorrow brings. Again, I'll have the calorie breakdown throughout the week. We were on track every day, I'm glad to say, even if it was at the tail end of my goal, we're still on track. So, yeah, we'll see what tomorrow brings. I am so tired. But we could go over the week. I am honestly a little worried. I feel just so bloated. I feel like there was so much more I could have done. But let's go over the week. So Wednesday, well, the calories I ended with was 2,498. Thursday was 2,496. Friday was 2,489. Saturday was 2,479. Sunday was 2,455. Monday was 2,495. And Tuesday was 2,148. So, So technically we made goal, but it's just at the very upper end. And I feel like there was so much more I could have done, honestly. And we did gain the last weigh-in. I gained 1.8 pounds for 371.2. So the scale, like, he got his shit together, or she, they, them, non-binary. Let's not make judgments about the scale. But the scale got its shit together. So, I don't know. I am hoping for at least a 1 pound drop. I'm kind of nervous, actually. I just feel so big right now. Fat people, if you can relate, I feel so big. This morning, I just don't believe I lost any, honestly, but guess we'll figure it out. Judgment Day. Let's just go in for the weigh-in. So yes, we lost 4.6 pounds. Oh my god, my eyes are still dilated. I don't know if you guys can tell. Help me. I like literally can't see anything. Okay, so obviously a good weigh-in. I'm proud of that. 4.6. Yeah. What was I gonna say? Oh, my eye appointment. They said nothing was wrong. So even though like my left eye was blurry even on the first line, but they said that I was still able to read enough, and it was still like 20 vision or something. I don't even know. So they said nothing was wrong. But with my left eye, even the first line was blurry. So I think I'm using more of my brain than my eye when I'm reading those letters. You know what I mean? Like I could like kind of make out a shape and then kind of narrow it down. But whatever. Anyways, to celebrate, I got some fucking ranch fries from Chester's. Healthy. Woo! And I got sub. Ooh. Big old sub. Big, from a local place. We're gonna celebrate. Kind of giving Nick Ocado vibes, but not really, because he would order like 10 subs and I got 1. But I've been craving a sub for a while now. But yeah, guys, we did it. We did it. I'm sorry this video is a little bit of a clusterfuck. When I do the future, I have a bunch of like ideas for like doing like one type of diet for a week, or like I'm gonna have a better format, basically, is what I'm trying to say. So I just want to thank everyone for watching, even though I can't see you right now because my eyes are dilated. I want to thank everyone for watching. Y'all are the truth. I appreciate every one of you. Yes, I'm talking to you, Rebecca in the back. But all right, guys, I'll talk to you next week. And as far as like schedule goes, I think I'm gonna change my weigh-in days and my upload schedule, but more on that on a later time once I figure all that shit out. So I wish everyone a great fucking week, and peace the fuck out.